How to set up PCVR. This solution only works on Quest 3 with the BoboVR M3 Pro head strap because we need to remove the original cover from the side and attach these 3D printed parts onto here. Additionally, these 3D printed parts are designed to work with these specific items from Amazon. So you must get the exact same items, otherwise it will not work. I will put the link in the description. Before you order these 3D printed parts, please make sure you have these from Amazon already. How to install USB-C port connector. This process is the same for both PCVR and 4K movie watching setup. So the first, we take this piece here. It has a rails at the end that matches the groove here. I'm not sure if I captured on the camera. It has a rails along the edge. And what we're going to do is simply going to slide them into here. And it's going to be a bit loose, but don't worry. And the next step we're going to do is we're going to take the right angle USB-C adapter and plug into the Quest 3. Make sure it's pointing upward, upright. Then we're going to take this piece here. It has three rails that match in the 3 slots here. All right, so we're going to slide it up from underneath. As such, it's going to be a little bit tight. I'm doing it behind the camera, so it's kind of awkward. And you just kind of slide up. It has a bit of friction. Just make sure it's nice and snug. So at the ends should be pretty flush. So that way you know you have installed it correctly. And the last step is put this cap on. It has 2 holes that match the 2 posts here. And we push down. There we go. And this top part, because the USB-C cable's head the USB-C cable head comes in different sizes. So for this part here, we have a PCVR version and the 4K version. So each one fits the particular head size of the USB connector. How to set up PCVR. With the PCVR, we have 3 parts. Make sure the top connector has a PC label on it. I hope the camera can pick it up. So simply you just insert into the USB port connector. Then you want to take your cable and plug into the USB connector. Again, with the USB-C connector, even though they say it's reversible, I find that there is one side works better than the other in terms of keeping the connection. So if you plug it in, after you set up, you still get disconnected signal, and you simply just flip the head around and try it that way, all right? So for me, this way is most secure. So you plug it in. Then we're gonna turn this guy around, and we're gonna put this clip onto the right side of the BoboVR, as such. Then we want to bend the cable slightly over. Then we're gonna put the cable into this groove in here. as such. And the key is that you want this slightly bended angle here. So this band will keep the connection firmly secured without any wiggling. All right. And the last step, we're going to further secure the cable, let's put it as such, onto this part of the BoboVR head strap. And it's a clip-on. The location depends how you want to use it. I tend to use somewhere in the middle. And you push it down in and it's connect. Sometimes better if you hook the bottom edge first, then push the top in as such. You need a bit of force to clip it on. So this way it's very secure that no matter how this side of the cable tucks around, it's not going to create any kind of movement on this side that can lead to disconnecting the USB connection here. And that's very simple. Then another thing to mention is that with the PCVR setup, you want to make sure the cable is connecting to device directly without going through any type of USB hub. So on the PC end, you want to make sure this is plugged in directly into your motherboard's USB port rather than go through some type of USB-C hub. And same as on the Quest. So this one is not bad because it's only go through a USB-C adapter. How to remove USB cable from the connector? It's easier if you remove the BoboVR charging connector first, so it's not in the way. And the top cap here is held down by a friction fit. So when you remove it, you want to kind of place your finger here. So when you remove the cable, when you pull up the cable, it does not pull the top cap with it. Remember that you will always want to pull up the cable by the body, the head body here, this part here. You never want to pull from the cable itself, all right? So we just simply put it up, and the connection is pretty snug, so you just need a tiny bit of force to remove it. And the same method applied to the 4K media connection as well. And let's say if you want to play some wireless game on headset and using and charging the Quest 3 with BoboVR's battery. And what you do is you simply remove the top cap of this part. Well, again, you want to hold on to the bottom parts of the USB connector, then pull the top cap straight up. Then that way you have room for you to plug in the BoboVR's charging cable. Then you're ready to go.